Have you ever wondered why your muscles feel weaker in the morning, even when you've had a full night's sleep? Stretch, you yawn, but something still feels off. Your legs don't have the same strength. Your arms feel just a bit heavier. Is it just age, or is your body missing something essential? Right before bedtime, here's a surprising fact. After 60, adults can lose up to 1% of their muscle mass every single year. Big part of that muscle loss? It happens while you sleep. But what if your bedtime routine could be the key to turning that around? There are 4 gentle natural foods, not pills, not powders, that can quietly support your muscles, improve your sleep, and help you wake up stronger. They're simple, affordable, and they might already be in your kitchen. Do you usually eat anything before going to sleep? Tell us in the comments. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Golden Health 99 for more health tips tailored to seniors. Let's discover these 4 bedtime foods, starting with one that may already be sitting in your fruit bowl. 1. Kiwi, the gentle sleep enhancer that starts muscle repair. Could something as small as a kiwi really make your sleep deeper and your muscles stronger? It may sound too simple to be true, but sometimes nature hides big benefits in the smallest places. Kiwi is one of the few fruits that naturally contains melatonin, the hormone that helps your brain know it's time to sleep. And we're not just talking about falling asleep. Kiwi helps you stay in deep sleep, the most important phase for muscle recovery. You see, during deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is like a construction crew for your muscles. It repairs tiny tears and helps build strength overnight. But the benefits don't stop there. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C and E, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and fight the oxidative stress that comes with aging. It's also high in potassium, which supports proper muscle contractions and helps prevent those annoying nighttime leg cramps. And if you're watching your blood sugar, good news. Despite being sweet, kiwi has a low glycemic index, making it a smart choice for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. We've seen many seniors make kiwi a part of their nightly routine. Just 2 ripe kiwis, 1 hour before bed. Not as a fix, but as a gentle habit, a ritual of self-care. And it works. In my opinion, it's much better than relying on melatonin pills, which can sometimes leave you groggy in the morning. Kiwi helps your body work with itself, not against it. Have you ever tried kiwi as a bedtime snack? Comment yes or no below. We'd love to hear your experience. Kiwi may help you fall asleep faster, but the next food doesn't just help you rest. It tells your body it's time to build new muscle. Let's crack it open. 2. Eggs, the small protein that sends a big signal to your muscles. What if just 1 soft-boiled egg before bed could help you stand up stronger in the morning? It might sound too good to be true, but this humble kitchen staple holds more power than you might think. Eggs are one of nature's most perfect sources of protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. But what makes them extra special is their high level of leucine, the key amino acid that tells your body, hey, it's time to rebuild muscle. Here's something many people don't realize. After 60, our muscles respond more slowly to protein. That means we need more high-quality protein, especially in the evening, to get the same repair benefits we used to get from less. Eggs also offer vitamin D, which supports balance and coordination, and choline, which keeps the nervous system sharp and responsive. All this in just 70 to 80 calories. No need for heavy meals. Now, let's clear up a common concern. Cholesterol. Decades ago, eggs were blamed for raising cholesterol. But new research shows that 1 egg per day is safe for most people, and may even increase your good HDL cholesterol. Want to make it even better? Enjoy your eggs soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled with a touch of olive oil. Avoid frying in butter or pairing with bacon. We want strength, not inflammation. And here's a tip. Eggs are also easier to chew and digest than meat, making them perfect for seniors who want a gentle protein source before bed. Do you usually eat protein before bedtime? If so, what's your favorite source? Let us know in the comments below. But what if your nighttime struggles aren't just about strength? What if tightness, cramps, or stiffness are getting in the way of real rest? The next food holds a magic mineral your muscles desperately need. 3. Pumpkin seeds. The tiny powerhouse that relaxes and repairs. Ever wake up with stiff, tight legs that just won't move like they used to? It might not be your age. It could be a missing mineral. Pumpkin seeds are one of nature's richest sources of magnesium, a mineral that quietly works overnight to help your muscles relax and recover. Sadly, many older adults don't get enough magnesium, and the result? Morning cramps, tightness, and a body that feels unrested no matter how long you sleep. Just 1 tablespoon of unsalted pumpkin seeds before bed can help restore those magnesium levels. And that small bite packs a surprising punch. But magnesium isn't the only secret in these little green seeds. They also contain tryptophan, an amino acid your body turns into melatonin, helping improve your natural sleep rhythms. And for older men, there's another bonus. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which supports testosterone levels and overall cell repair, both vital for muscle health and energy. You'll also get 7 grams of plant-based protein and healthy fats that slowly release nutrients through the night, gently fueling your recovery. Here's how I like to enjoy them. Sprinkle a spoonful over some plain Greek yogurt about 30 minutes before bed. It's simple, satisfying, and kind to your body. Just remember, pumpkin seeds are calorie-dense, so don't snack on them by the handful. Think of them as a nightly tonic, not a crunchy treat. Personally, I find them far more effective and gentle than magnesium pills, especially for those with sensitive digestion. Do you ever get leg cramps at night? Let us know in the comments. You're not alone, and there's a gentle, natural fix waiting. Pumpkin seeds help your muscles relax. But the final food we're about to reveal does something even more powerful. It holds you through the night, nourishing your muscles from start to finish. 4. Cottage cheese, the overnight muscle builder. You didn't expect, you might remember this from your grandmother's fridge, a simple lumpy bowl of cottage cheese. But what if I told you it could be your secret weapon for stronger muscles after 60? Cottage cheese contains a special type of protein called casein. And unlike the fast-burning protein in chicken or eggs, casein is slow digesting. That means it releases amino acids gradually throughout the night, nourishing your muscles while you sleep. Think of it like a steady, supportive hand holding your muscles from bedtime till sunrise. This is especially important as we age. Without enough amino acids in your bloodstream overnight, your body might actually break down muscle to fuel itself. Exactly what we don't want after 60. Cottage cheese helps prevent that. And it gets even better. It's rich in leucine, the same powerful amino acid we saw in eggs, plus calcium for muscle contraction, and vitamin B12 to support energy and nerve health. And don't worry about sugar. Plain, low-fat cottage cheese is low in carbs, has a low glycemic index, and helps stabilize your blood sugar overnight. Ideal for those managing diabetes. My favorite part? There's no prep needed, just 2 to 3 spoonfuls about 30 minutes before bed. You can enjoy it plain or sprinkle a bit of cinnamon, or even add a few slices of kiwi for a refreshing twist. Are you open to trying cottage cheese before bed? If so, how would you prepare it? Let us know in the comments. We love learning from each other. Each of these bedtime foods offers its own special kind of support, but together they create a peaceful nighttime routine that helps your body rebuild, rest, and rise stronger. Let's wrap things up and remember what you can do, starting tonight, to take back your strength. Let's quickly recap the 4 gentle bedtime foods that can help your body rebuild muscle, sleep deeper, and wake up stronger. Kiwi, calms your mind and starts muscle repair with natural melatonin. Eggs signal your body to rebuild overnight pumpkin seeds, relax tense muscles, and support deep, restful sleep. Cottage cheese nourishes your body all night with slow-release protein. These aren't complicated diets or magic pills. They're small, caring choices. Easy to make, affordable, and powerful when done with consistency, not just for your muscles, but for your confidence, independence, and energy to enjoy life with the people you love. Someone you love might have these symptoms without even realizing it. Send this video to them, just in case. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It helps us reach more seniors like you. Subscribe to Golden Health 99 and turn on the bell so you never miss a health tip that could improve your life. And we'd love to hear from you. Which of these 4 foods are you most curious to try? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, eat gently, sleep deeply, and wake up stronger. You've earned it.